Hi, this is Parvati Benu from edX Live. Last week I told you about my baking disaster. So this week I'm going to tell you about something else. I am really scared of scrambling these geometrical figures because I'm going to spend the next few days trying to unscramble them and make sure that they look this fine. At the same time, there is Lakshmi Rajaram from Chennai who can solve a Rubik's Cube in less than 11 seconds. And today we are going to talk to her. Hi Lakshmi, how are you today?
Hi, I'm fine.
Right, and I can see that even while we are talking, you're still solving a cube.
Yeah, it is always attached to my hand.
Closest to cube I could get with these two, and now people tell me that this is not even. These are not even cubes. So yeah.
Yeah, these are different shaped puzzles. It is also an official thing. This is called a pyramids.
Yeah.
The same one, and what the other one is called Megamix.
Okay, all right.
Hexagon.
And this, I suppose, is even more complicated than a regular Rubik's Cube.
Yeah, but national record is like in 45 or 1 minute, sub 1 minute. 45 seconds, they just complete the big one.
45 seconds?
Yeah, 45 and 45, 50, I don't know. There are people in India itself.
I wonder how people do that. And you tell me that you can solve a Rubik's Cube in what, 10 seconds?
Yeah, 10 is my best. Give me a 12 or 13.
Wow. I mean, I can't even figure out, I won't even finish looking at the cube, in 12 seconds, and I really have no idea how you do that.
This is the scrambled cube, as you can see.
Okay.
So let me inspect it without turning. Let me see to give me a push start, more of a, yeah. Then after I see and I'm all ready, then I'm ready to go. So you want to say time? Like 3, 2, 1 or something?
Sure. Yeah.
Okay.
So 3, 2, 1, and go. Wait, it's done.
Yeah, done.
How? That was quick. Was it did it come naturally to you? Does it require a lot of practice?
The immediate starting point, you just see you somehow want to set all the colors straight. So you do all the illegal things like breaking up or peeling off the stickers at the beginning as a child. But then, as you know, there is a method or constructive way where you have to solve the cube. I started to learn it. Yeah, it is a very good one. So just I wanted to complete, but then as I came to know there is an official competitions and rankings and records, and it is more of a formal sport. Then I took it up as a major hobby or passion. Then I started proceeding with it.
For how many hours do you practice cubing a day?
Maybe give or take an hour. It depends on what other activities. Yeah, since I also have college and other extracurricular activities. So maybe serious practice of an hour. Then, as I said, usually watching TV or any movies or something. Just this keeps on going, even without timing or something.
And you're not even looking at it.
This is just scrambling. So maybe as I hear the dialogues of a movie, then I'll just see and maybe solve that.
All right. And another interesting thing is you can also solve a Rubik's Cube with your feet.
Yeah.
How do you do that?
As I started with this, I started cubing after my brother. So I had a break of 1 year where I just saw him solve and practice and develop. So after I started doing, then I did whatever he did. So he was a national level feet cuber. So then I also took it up as a main event, and I started practicing more. At that time, school age, you didn't have so much responsibilities or other activities. So I dedicated after dinner until sleeping time, how many solves I could do, I just keep on recording. I have like a diary to record it all, and I have all the numbers with dates, what is the best time there, and worst I did. So just days and days of practice. Within 2-3 months, I came India's top 15. Then as I practiced it, I came to top 10 in feed solving.
Wow. So do you think that's something that you can show us?
Okay. This will take upon like a minute or something, so please be patient. This is over.
And you're done.
Yes.
Wow. So, Lakshmi, so for people who would like to, start cubing, what are few tips that you would like to give them?
Yeah. Usually, I just take them up to start learning, but you need a push at some point. Like I have seen my brother cubing, but I got a push once I entered a competing arena. You see different age there is no age category for this cubing as an event. So I see variety of even a second standard boy does better cubing than in some event he does better than me. So you get inspired by that. So the juniors or my friends whom I taught, I took them on a competition. I showed them that once you start practicing, then you can develop in the ranks and you move up. As I said, there are like 18 main events in solving a cube. So one among the 18 are solving the cube blindfolded. So I was practicing for that. You have to take a full go. How much ever you want. You just have to memorize the cube once. Then once you put the blindfold on, then you have to complete the solve, and then only you can remove. So if it is a success, if you have memorized it very well, then it is a success solve. Or it will be somewhat scrambled. And yeah, you get some other skills without knowing itself. You get like better competitive sportive event. You don't since you didn't get. I have competed in like 20 competitions, but every competition you can't get a medal. Since I have taken feet as my main event, I get medals in that alone. But other than that, none of them even recognized me at that time. I used to be the only single girl sitting in some corners. But yeah, you get a better sport event, you get better networking skills. Like you interact with cubers from all around the country. So if you go for like a Red Bull event, I have interacted with world level cubers. Like 10 plus countries I met in a single place. I interact with them, how they spend their time cubing, how to reduce time, tips and tricks from them, and the usual socializing. So you get many, it has changed me a lot, yeah.
And how was the competition held this year? Was it completely virtual?
Yeah, it was completely virtual. You know the Discord app, so they kept a separate channel like Red Bull Road 2020, and there were different servers like hangout rooms, 4 hangout rooms. Usually just go and competitors, they just speak with each other. They make fun, the pre-comp thing, and there is a logged servers for judges alone. So the organizing team and judges team, they take you up from the hangout room to the competing room, where you and the other one now as a knockout event. So out of 5 solves, I have to beat them, finish them in 3 solves. So once I get 3 points, then I move to the next round. It was fine. Everything went smooth.
Okay, right. And before we wrap up, could you show one more cube solve for us? So that I am sure was less than 15 seconds easily.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah.
That's what I wanted to show you the time, but I don't know.
All right. Thank you so much for joining us today, Lakshmi.
Thank you.
It was quite an interesting session.